Hey guys, let's take a more in-depth look at this Hoover WindTunnel pet cord rewind vacuum. First of all, it does have a cord rewind feature. It's a 25-foot long cord. And so it comes out of the side here. And then when you're done, you just push this little lever and it will automatically come in. I would say be careful because it comes back pretty fast. So you don't want it to whip you. Just be wary of that. And then on the back here, we have the normal pedal to lay it down. On the front, we have hard floor, low carpet, and then 3, 4, and 5 carpet levels. I like to keep mine on 2, low carpet, when I'm doing the carpet just because I think it gets better suction, but that's just me. So let's take a look at the canister that comes with this. I just push the button right here and it's going to pop off. One thing this has that's great is it has this little green indicator here of when you need to empty this or clean the filter out. So when that turns red, it's just a sign that empty your canister and see if there's anything stuck in there. And it's got a quick release here. And then you can go ahead and hose out any of the parts that are within here in the filter system. Let's pop that back in. This vacuum is a great value. It has some great attachments to it, a filtering system that you don't need to buy any replacements for. It services multiple different levels of carpet, and it has a cord rewind feature. The only thing I would say about it is a little bit on the heavier side compared to some other lightweight vacuums. So if you're elderly, you might want something a little bit lighter, but for me, it's totally fine. So thanks, guys.